Hello everyone, we've got episode 2 here of Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to focus on inserting audio into a Google Slides presentation, and this has come about because a few of my students have been looking at doing this with some of their work lately, and it's also a really valuable learning tool for teachers to help their students with. So how are we going to do this? We're going to be using some of the features here of Google Slides that you may not have used before. Sneak peek there for you. So first thing you're going to do is record your audio. I've used a real simple voice recorder app that I found in the Play Store. It's free, and once you've downloaded it, open it up, and when it gets to your recording, you just hit the big red button in the middle, and that will get you a voice recording. Simple as that. This one in particular saves it as MP3s or WAV files, so that's really useful for compatibility. And once you've recorded it, then you are just going to share it like you would share any other normal file, as if you're sharing things with your contacts or backing it up. So going back into it here, you can see that we've got a little icon in the middle, and that is the result of inserting audio into a presentation. So how did that get there? Insert audio, simple as that. Here's my file that I uploaded. It's going to put that in there for me. It's hidden it behind here, so let's see if we can just drag that out a little bit. So that's become a little bit bigger for us. I had to play around with that a little bit and pause the video. So here it is. Here's my audio file. That is now in my presentation. If I was to, if a student were to read this while they were studying away from class, they could just hit that and it would then play the audio file there for them. Some of the more advanced features you can do with this, you can have it play automatically. You can sort the volume out, so if you're using it in class, you can change it as you're using it. You can loop it if there's a key message that you want to get across to your students, and then all the usual formatting that you've got with Google Slides here. And another really nice feature is you can replace the image that you use on it. So you don't have to have that grey play button. You can have anything you like. So let's have an image from my drive here. Let's have my Bitmoji, having a little think, and then that's it. That is your audio file. Your students, you might want to use the same one so students get used to what an audio file looks like, but the students have then essentially got an audio file there for them of anything they need. So that's some really nice extra features as well you can do with that. So really simple, really easy, really straightforward, and should bring your presentations to life a little bit more should you're doing them. As a reminder, insert audio, simple as that, and then you can play around with it. And that is how you insert audio into a Google Slides presentation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again sometime.